How has this eye doctor visit been so far for you?
Oh, I love the machines.
You like the machines?
Yes, yes.
What do you like about them?
They look like lasers. And this one says press release to either release the monkeys or to release the patients that are in the restriction chair.
You think they're going to restrict you so you can't leave?
Yeah. And torment me.
And torment you?
With that thing, they're going to pull that lever. And all the robots are going to come out. So we'll show that.
Wow.
I wonder what the CL stands for.
I wonder.
Main entrance.
It's an adventure. I mean, we don't know what's going to happen.
Main killer crocodile.
Office here. Killer crocodile.
Super lizard.
Does it say SL?
Mm-hmm.
Super lizard.
Concoction piece.
Concoction piece.
Hmm.
All kinds of possibilities.
Red stands for